And it is my hope that I, like everybody else, will be in a position to support whoever is elected at the convention. And we'll be doing this because we want to create harmony in the party, and we want to have a formidable party which will attract other opposition political parties to work together to wrestle power from the UPND. So the issue of supporting whoever wins is out of the question. The second question is whether I would be available to work under any other person in the event that I'm not elected. That is the question that I was saying depends on who has been elected and how they look upon me. Do they want me to be part of that team? And do I feel that I can be part of that team? I can work under them. That's a different question. And it's totally different from the issue of support. So I want to state very clearly that I am a Democrat and I'm going into this with a clean heart, sincere heart, with the intention of holding the Patriotic Front together. And I want to state clearly that we're doing this because we want to unify the Patriotic Front. And whoever emerges as winner shall receive my support.